Yeah, hello everyone, namaste to all of you, Master Jay here, and welcome guys to my YouTube channel Jay Yoga Academy. So today I'm here to teach you some arm strength, arm balancing pose. So if you are new on this channel, please subscribe it for more updates about yoga. So I'll teach you the dragonfly pose. It's a balancing and the hand balancing pose. Little bit quite difficult pose. So the person who is practicing yoga little bit long time, so they can try this pose. So what we have to do in this pose, just normally we have to bend our one leg and put your leg onto the opposite thigh, then bend your leg here, then put your hand under your foot near to the shoulder. So here you need to remember, don't put it here, try to put it maximum as much you can do. So we can do into the sitting position, we can do into the standing position also. So after this, put your hand down, lift your hip up and one foot touch to the floor, this one here. Then try to bend your elbow, make balance and put this part also on your elbow. Just bend it slightly and try to straight your leg, look front. Yeah. So if you have any problem regarding this, you can try with drop your elbow also. So how to do it? So in this, just put it elbow down like this and palm onto the floor, lift your hip up and then try. Only for know the balance. So the same positions you can do into the standing position. In the standing, like when you stand, also you can try this pose, like bend your leg, put it here and one hand under your foot here and then hand down. Also you can do it from this side. So I hope when you do the continued practice of this pose, you can do it. Maybe in the beginning you need more strength, because this one is quite difficult pose. So you just practice it every day and after a short time you can do this pose. So thank you so much everyone. So if you like it, please subscribe Jay Yoga Academy. So thank you so much. Namaste. Hari Om.